Here, I posted this yesterday. All right, this ABC. Right, if you would have got in down here at the bottom of this C wave, you would have absolutely destroyed it. All right, there's people in our Discord that got in down here, and this thing went up 64% on 10x leverage. That would have been 640%. You would have 6.5x'd your portfolio. On 20x leverage, you would have 12x'd your portfolio. If you threw $1,000 in, you would have ended up with either 10,000 or possibly 20,000 $20,000. Is that right? 6x times 10, or yeah, 6 or 12 extra money. I'm sorry, 6x or 12 extra money you on this thing if you would have used leverage, and you would have seen my video yesterday. Okay, that marked the bottom here for Myro, and then this thing started marching up. I know some people in Discord got it, which is absolutely incredible. We have a great Discord community, guys. If you haven't yet, please sign up. Level 3 membership, $14.99. Get you 20 plus videos, 9 hours of videos to teach you how to trade, and it gets you in our Discord. We have 148 members now, and we got some very, very good traders over there. Some of the best. They list charts over there, and they tell you if they're going long or short. We got some very, very good trading going on over there. I would put our group up against any group. That's how good they are. They're doing fantastic. Some of the stuff I could just, in fact, I will. I'm just going to show you a couple things from today that's going on over there. For $15, you're not going to find a cheaper Discord community that's doing stuff like this. I mean, this stuff is crazy. I'm just going to show you a couple. Okay, there's 331% on a SHIB long. These are today. Some days are better than others, but most days we have a lot of winners. We called the ape breakout. We called the Cardano breakout. Numerous ones. The Myro breakout, nailed the Myro breakout. That was a big one. If you would have gone in that, if you would have been in Discord and got that, you would look at this, 124%. And the ape one, we absolutely nailed it. Here's ape long, 81% plus $830. Yeah, so if you're interested, please come sign up and join us for $15. I think it's a great bargain. All right, now this move up here and the pullback. If we take a fib and put on here, we're gonna have perfect pullback. Right between the 618 and 702. That's where you want to see it. That's normally where you get a bounce from and take off. All right, looks like probably a 5-wave up. This more than looks like a wave 4 pullback. 3, 4, and then we'll have a 5th wave up. How do you measure a wave 5? Well, I'll show you that for just because you watch my videos, and I appreciate it very, very much. And to all the members, thank you guys. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I mean that. Thank you. You guys are the absolute best. A 5th wave target for this thing is up around 23 cents for Myro. So I called it. I said a week ago. I've been calling this for a long time. These price targets up here. I just think a lot of people might not have believed it. All right, let me get this off here real quick. And we are back up to retracement levels, which I said we would get there, and we have. All right, there you go. 618, 702. All right, I said that when we were way back down here. I said we were going to get back there, and we have. All right, now if this is a wave 1, 2 down here starting, let me clean this up just a hair. Let me show you something where this thing could be headed. Believe it or not, okay? And these Fibonacci's tell a big story. Go from the low of wave 1 to the high of wave 1 to the retracement. All right, what kind of target does that give Myro? How about 0.322, up at 32 cents? All right, that would be another from where we're at right now, 92%. Okay, pretty impressive. That would be a full 4.236 extension up at 32 cents, and it absolutely looks like it's gonna happen. If this is a 1-2 here, all right, your 3, hard to say where the 3 could end up. Then you'd have a 4th wave pullback and then a 5th wave up. All right, so Myro is looking absolutely fantastic. Now that we hit these price targets, okay, I'm gonna take this off here. We hit it, nailed them. They're done. Okay, we took them levels out. That ABC was perfect. I loved it. I mean, that was a perfect pullback. And if you missed it, I'm sorry. Hey, there's going to be a lot more, man. This bull run just started. A, B, C. And that was the bottom. And if you got in down here at that bottom when I told you to, you would have made absolutely monstrous gains. Talk about getting your 15 bucks back in a hurry. You would have really. And if you don't like it, if you sign up and you don't like it, then cancel after a month. If you're making money and things are going good, then $15 is worth its weight in gold for this. Okay. Now, if we come up here, like I said, that 702 pullback, perfect bounce area, and it looks like Myro could bounce from here. Now, if we look at some RSIs on this thing, let's go up to the 8. All right, the 8 hour is 74 and a 78. 8 hours actually bearish. We do have a little bit of bearish divergence there too, so you could get a little bit more of a pullback. The 12 hour, 80.1 and an 80.4. It's actually bearish. A little bit of bearish divergence. The daily is at a 93 and a 97. It's bearish. And your weekly, we don't have a weekly. All right, so you could get a little bit of a deeper pullback here is what could end up happening. All right, we can end up taking it. You know, if that 702 doesn't work out there, let's go on a 4 hour. There we go. You know, take it from this bottom, take it from this low here up. You know, and it could end up pulling back down here to 14.2. Let's see here. 14.2 to 13.4. All right, that could be the next. Since the other ones are pulling down, I would go with this here as your swing low to the swing high, and I would say that is more than likely going to be your bounce area. We're going to put this on here so we can keep it on here for the next video. Right down through here. All right, I would say it's probably going to come down here, touch, and then start ripping back up out of here. But right now, Myro absolutely looks fantastic. I know I was getting kind of heckled about this thing when I said it was going to go back up to retracement levels. You know, people just didn't believe it. Well, it's getting there. It has made it there. It's in the retracement levels, and it's still looking fantastic. I believe it's heading up to 32 cents real soon. So keep your eye on Myro, guys. It looks very, very good. If it comes down to this 618 or 702, that's right on the trend line. What a perfect place for it to bounce. I mean, you would have a simple pullback down here, right to the trend line, and then out of here. Okay, that would be perfect. It's keeping right in trend. All right, I'm going to leave this on here for the next video. Thank you so very, very much, guys. I love you so much. You get the members. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I very much mean that. Anything I can do, hit me up in Discord. I'm there quite a bit, and we'll take care of it. So have a great day, everybody.